So there we go. There's Daddy's pencil making tool. What do you think? Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, good.
Okay, let's look at Bridge City Toolworks.
What?
That's right, folks. I've got competition in the pencil making world, but since I think there's room for both of us, I decided to pick up the Bridge City Toolworks pencil making kit and make a video of my son and I using it to make a pencil. All right, so the goal today, you know that I sell a pencil making tool, right?
Yeah.
And you've made some pencils with me, with my tool, right? I used to be the only one who sold a pencil making tool, but now there's competition.
I think they're copycatting you, Daddy.
They actually didn't copycat me. That's a good question. They worked on their tool independently. I worked on mine independently. Nobody copied anyone. This just happens in business.
This is famous.
This one's mine. Isn't that the famous one?
This one's more famous because look.
So first, let's look at the box. So this is my box and this is their box. Which box do you think is nicer? Go ahead. Well, let's open them up and see which one's better, okay? So there we go. There's Daddy's pencil making tool. What do you think? Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, good.
Okay, let's look at Bridge City Toolworks.
What? Oh my globe.
Whose is nicer?
Yours. You have more colors.
All right, so let's make a pencil with the Bridge City Toolworks pencil making tool. So the first thing, we need to set these sides to the right height. Good job.
Ooh, dude, I love this one.
You like this?
Yeah, you push it and then it gets shaved off.
Nice. Just like that.
Oh, jeez. This tool machine's cool. Can I say something to the audience?
Say something.
Guys, when you watch this video, tell all your friends. Because this video is going to be the best video ever.
That's right. You watch a lot of YouTube, don't you?
Yeah. Guys, if you guys live by Bobby Duke, show them this video.
You want Bobby Duke to see this video?
Yes.
Is he your favorite YouTuber? What about me?
You're my second.
Okay. Bobby Duke's pretty funny, isn't he?
He said, you dingus.
He does say you dingus. All right, go ahead and use the same plane to plane that down.
This, like
Yep.
this.
Watch down on this side. There you go. Nice. So what you're doing is putting 2 of the hexagon sides on the edges of the blank. So on my tool, this happens after the glue up in the sled, and then it rotates around for the 6 different faces. This one, once you thickness and cut the hole for the lead, then you put the sides on with the plane using this sled. Put the lead in the middle. Slide the taper aluminum clamp until it holds the upper end. Tighten the locking screw to clamp the pencil in the middle section. Ah, I get it. Okay, so this then becomes the clamp. So what they're saying is you have clamps on each end and a clamp in the middle, and then that should be good enough. Problem is, it's not quite good enough.
Hey, survivors, I got a good idea. How about you guys call this person who sent us this to make a, what is it again? The single glue shot thing?
The pencil glue up press?
Yeah, guys, make this guy build a pencil glue up press.
So wait a minute, you're telling my competition that they should copy me?
No.
But we'll bail them out. All right, so you see that crack? Tell me if it closes up, okay?
Okay. We try our best.
What if my audience says that I was dumb on purpose because I want them to buy mine?
Hey audience, who do you think was more dumb? This person, who's this?
Bridge City Toolworks.
Bridge City Toolworks or my dad's?
Yeah. Who's dumber? Okay. So that's done. We have a pencil. Why don't you go show the audience that we were capable of making a pencil with the Bridge City Toolworks machine. Go ahead and show it to them. Nice.
What?
Now it's time for something that my tool can't do at all. Yes. This
Jeez Louise.
extrusion press. Now turn this like that.
Okay.
Cool, huh? So if you're doing this, definitely like it's got these screw holes. You could mount it to a board and put it into a vise. That would definitely be better. It worked pretty well. Now I think you'd have to do this with pretty soft wood. I don't know this would work very well. I mean, maybe like on a cherry. That's probably about as hard as you can go, but I'm speculating. I haven't actually tried it. We got one more thing to do. So first you put this in there.
Mm-hmm.
Now go ahead, turn the pencil around and around. Okay, so that's done. Go ahead and pull it out. Now push the pencil into this hole. Okay, so we cut that all the way around.
Mm-hmm.
Now they give us these little ends. They give you just orange. I have like 10 different color options.
Like what?
Like titanium and black and blue and red and pink.
You've got green.
I do have green. What do you think? Are you proud of this pencil?
Mm-hmm. I wish I could have it.
You can have it.
Yay!
Here, Bridge City is even nice enough to give you a sharpener. Unlike me.
Guys, this guy's mean. Oh wait. Comment below. Who do you think's meaner, my dad or I forgot?
Bridge City Toolworks.
Bridge City Toolworks.
Did you say? Never mind. Okay, there's your pencil. Go show the people. Awesome. So what do you think?
Guys, who do you think this pencil is better? Bridge City's Toolworks or my dad's pencils? Goodbye. Wee.